I've been watching the market for quite some time now, and I know for a certainty that this 20-acre parcel is hard to come by. We are in Oceana County, Western Michigan, not far from the big lake. The parcel itself has rolling topography. You've got some meadows mixed in there. You've got some ancient pine timber and just a diversity and fauna throughout. Hunting possibilities, you've got deer highways running through this thing, and you've got state land right across the street that gives you access to a creek. So you guys have to get out here, call me. If you don't know my number, it's 231-327-1701. You definitely need to get out here and see this one in person. So call me, let's set up a private showing, and I look forward to you guys seeing this thing. Don't forget to have a great day.